Today I'm working on an intake for my truck. The plan is to be using that Spectra carburetor plenum, and I'm gonna use this intake. It's just an intake from eBay. It's meant to be used in a V6 Silverado. Comes with all the tubing, all the hose clamps, and the filter. And basically what I plan on doing is it's gonna come this way over on the passenger side, and I want the filter to end up somewhere over here. This is the original intake for these trucks. As you can see, it has this these holes, and that's where it sucks in fresh air. So I'm gonna start working on this right now. Here's what I came up with. Like I said, I left the filter over here. Now all I need to do is I need to drill a hole on this side to put my air temperature sensor. And this is actually pretty nice quality for being an eBay intake. It's like coated. I don't know if it's if it protects it from temperature, from the hot temperature, but it looks good. Here's the finished product. There's the sensor that I just installed. Like I said, this kit is meant to be used in a 99 to 07 V6 Silverado, I think. I'll put a link in the description. Looks like it's a 3.5 inch, and I didn't have to modify any of the pipes or the filter. That's where it ends up. That thing's not moving, so I'm not even gonna add a bracket or anything unless it becomes a problem later on. But yeah, that's it. Should work all right. If you guys have any questions, leave a question in the comments. And that's gonna be all for this video. Thanks for watching.